And what is mentioned in the question is that most of the packages are related to GWAS studies, so genome-wide association studies, and instrumental variables there. It is true, a lot of packages are related to that field because there is a whole area of causal inference which we call Mendelian randomization, which generally uses genome data, so genotypes as instrumental variables, exactly as we were explaining in the communication with Alexander, that we can use genetic data which is associated with some modifiable factor, biomarker, and then simulate that as having some treatment, some counterfactual design. And we know for a fact that genetic data is not associated by confounders. The genetic data is something that we get at birth, and there are mutations that make some changes, but generally the genotypes can be considered relatively static. So we know for a fact that they can be used as instrumental variable in many situations to identify the causal inference of biomarkers or other modifiable risk factors with the disease. As Justin said, it's highly probable that since this is one already highly developed field, a lot of packages are revolving around that field. But I think there are a lot of packages that are in development now and will be developed in the future, which may be associated with other fields. Justin mentioned that instrumental variable regression is highly used in social science, econometric models, but it's used more and more in life science because there are situations where we can use them. But on the other hand, a lot of data is created out there, and it's not easy to find an instrumental variable. And usually the go-to is to go either to inverse probability weighting or just using some other way of calculating the propensity score, doing the matching, and so on.